Hey! Where'd the green ball go now? It's gone again, see? That means it is burning out. So I don't think it's going. Huh. Still going fast. See, they're not even in this room. Yeah, thump. The pink, of course. What happened to the green again? There it is. See, it's not moving, and this is a good battery. I'm sure of it. Because watch how fast it's gonna go. See? That's pretty fast. For being stuck that long, I'm sure that's why. But geez. Weasel under him. It's Brownie. That one's never been in the storage room yet. There's a few that wasn't in there yet. Well, that one was. The orange one wasn't. And the ghost weasel.
I feel like singing. How about a Christmas dance? Christmas time, it's Christmas time. Just hear those sleigh bells ring. Mistletoe hanging in the hall and carolers start to sing. It's time to check if the halls are decked. Dashing through the snow, the one horse open sleigh.